right, those of you who read the K. All right, those of you who are reading the K, I hope you're enjoying it. First of all, I want you to build your background knowledge. What do you know about war? Which wars has the United States been involved in? What happened during some of the major wars? So you're going to be responding, commenting right along as you go with this. You don't have to respond to everything, but if you know anything about war or what major wars we were in or what happened, respond here. On your world mapper on your iPad, find the world, take a snapshot, locate the places mentioned in the chapter and color them a bright color. The book includes a lot of old-fashioned and war-related terms. In your reading notebook, so get out your notebook and start a dictionary of the terms by writing the word and what page it was on, as well as a possible definition based on the sentence it is in or background knowledge you may have. The author never tells us during which war the book is set, but he provides many clues. When is the book set and how do you know? I want you to respond to this one for sure. Describe the friendship between Henrik and Philip. And I also want you to make sure to make a this will be in your notebook, make a Venn diagram to compare Philip's previous home in Virginia to his home in Kurakoy. Not exactly sure how to pronounce that. All right, hope you're enjoying it. Chapters 2 and 3, choose 2 to 3 questions to respond to. For chapters 4, 5, 6, 7, choose up to 5 questions to respond to. Chapters 8, 9, 10, you know the drill. There are a lot of questions to respond to here. Try to respond to at least 5. Chapter 15, do you think Timothy is all right? Respond to that and one of the other ones. For chapters 16, 17, 18, and 19, respond to one from each chapter at least.